Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to access the developer options on this watch. So first we need to open the menu, so press the Chrome button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, what we need to do is to find the option called system, or not system, it's about right here. So tap on about and then scroll down and find the option called software version, and once you find it, you need to keep or start tapping on it and keep tapping repeatedly until you see the message you are now in developer mode. And then you can go back, and now under the about option the developer options will appear and we can tap on them to enter. And in developer options you have manage data, demo, and switch to turn on or off the developer options. If you tap on manage data, here you can tap on help data, and basically we have some help data, and what you can do is to clear the health data from your watch. And you can select, for example, sleep, and then tap on clear and tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, we need to restart the watch for the data to be deleted. I'm just gonna do it later. Demo mode will basically turn on the watch into a demo mode, and that's useful if you want to display it somewhere, but I wouldn't enable it if you're just using your watch normally. And if you want to turn off the developer options, you can tap on the switch right here, and if you go back to the menu, the developer options will be gone if you turn them off. Okay, and that's how you access the developer options on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.